Hello my loving future doctors, welcome to my channel Health Study. Follow this video, the Living World Top 100 MCQ Part 2. Let's start our class after Part 1 video. Next, biosystematics aims at A. The classification of organisms based on broad morphological characters. B. Delimiting various taxa of organisms and establishing their relationships. C. The classification of organisms based on their evolutionary history and establishing their phylogeny on the totality of various parameters from all fields of studies. D. Identification and arrangement of organisms on the basis of their cytological characteristics. This option is right. C. The classification of organisms based on their evolutionary history and establishing their phylogeny on the totality of various parameters from all fields of studies. Right. Very important. Dash is the branch of science dealing with identification, nomenclature and classification of organisms. A. Morphology, B. Anatomy, C. Ecology, D. Taxonomy. The right option is D. Taxonomy. Taxonomy is the branch of science dealing with identification, nomenclature and classification of organisms. Next, first step in taxonomy is A. Description of the organism, B. Identification of the organism, C. Nomenclature of the organism, D. Classification of the organism. The right option is B. Identification of the organism is the first step in taxonomy. Very important. ICBN is A. International Code of Biological Naming, B. International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, C. International Class of Biological Nomenclature, D. International Classification of Biological Nomenclature. The right option is B. International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. Founder of binomial nomenclature was A. Linnaeus, B. Mendel, C. Darwin, D. Lamarck. Founder of binomial nomenclature was A. Linnaeus. Next, which of the following holds true for scientific nomenclature? A. Naming of living organisms in English language. B. Naming of particular organism by the same name all over the world. C. Naming of living organism in such a manner that it may cause less confusion. D. Naming of living organisms in such a manner that it becomes easy to pronounce. The right option is B. Naming of particular organism by the same name all over the world. Next, most names in biological nomenclature of living organisms are taken from which language? A. Hindi, B. Latin, C. German, D. French. The right option is B. Latin. Next, plants were given Latin names because it is A. Simple language, B. Common language, C. Dead language, D. None of these. The right option is C. Dead language. The Latin is dead language. In the binomial system of taxonomy developed during the 18th century by C. Linnaeus, Carolus Linnaeus, the second word of an organism's biological name represents A. Species, B. Genus, C. Race, D. Family. The right option is A. Species. Next, select the correctly written botanical or zoological name. A. Homo sapiens, B. Panthera tigris, C. Pisum sativum. D. Mangifera indica. Option B is right answer. Panthera tigris. This is the right answer because the former letter of genus name is in capital form and the former letter of species name is in small form and they are italicized. Select the correct option for biological names. A. They are binomial. B. They are descriptive. C. They are universal. D. All of these. The right option is D. All of these. Biological names are binomial. Biological names are descriptive. Biological names are universal. Next, in printed scientific names, only the dash is capitalized. A. Class, B. Species, C. Genus, D. Family. The right option is C. Genus. Which of the following are the basic processes of taxonomy? A. Identification and nomenclature. B. Characterization and classification. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. The right option is C. Both A and B. That means identification and nomenclature and characterization and classification both are basic processes of taxonomy. Next, the main purpose for the classification of organisms is to A. Study geography, B. Locate plants and animals, C. Establish relationships amongst organisms, D. Study evolution. The main purpose for the classification of organisms is to establish relationships amongst organisms. Next, ICZN is A. International Class of Geological Naming, B. International Code for Geological Naming, C. International Code of Geological Nomenclature, D. International Classification of Geological Naming. The right option is C. International Code of Geological Nomenclature. Very important. Next, in binomial nomenclature of plants, A. Genus is written after the species. B. Both in genus and species, the first letter is a capital letter. This is wrong, this is wrong. Genus and species name are derived from Greek. Wrong. Both genus and species are printed in italics. They will be written in italicized form. So, the option D is the right option. Both genus and species are printed in italics. Next, which of the following is the correct scientific name of wheat derived by binomial nomenclature? A. Triticum vulgar, B. Triticum aestivum, C. Oryza sativa, D. Zea mays. The right option is B. Triticum aestivum. Genus name, species name. The former letter of genus name is in capital form and the former letter of species name is a small form. Both are italicized. Classification is the process. A. To ensure that a particular organism is known by the same name. B. To systematically arranging the organisms, considering relationships among them. C. By which anything is grouped into convenient categories based on observable characters. D. None of these. The right option is C. By which anything is grouped into convenient categories based on observable characters. Next, a taxonomy category refers to A. The basic unit of classification, B. A rank or level in a taxonomic hierarchy, C. A group of related organisms able to interbreed, D. A group of related organisms but unable to interbreed freely. The right option is B. A rank or level in a taxonomic hierarchy. A taxonomic category refers to a rank or level in a taxonomic hierarchy. Next, the ascending or descending arrangement of taxonomic categories is called A. Classification, B. Taxonomy, C. Hierarchy, D. Key. The right option is C. Hierarchy. The term taxon is used for A. The ranks of species and genus, B. The ranks up to phylum, C. The species epithet only, D. Any rank of taxonomic hierarchy. The right option is D. Any rank of taxonomic hierarchy. So, the term taxon is used for any rank of taxonomic hierarchy. Which term can be used for any taxonomic rank? A. Class, B. Taxon, C. Family, D. Cohort. The right option is B. Taxon. Basic unit or smallest taxon of classification is A. Species, B. Kingdom, C. Family, D. Variety. The right option is A. Species. The basic unit upon which the systems of classification are based is A. Species, B. Genus, C. Order, D. Family. The right option is A. Species. Next, amongst all of kingdoms, the only taxon that exists in nature as a biologically cohesive unit is the A. Species, B. Genus, C. Phylum or division, D. Kingdom. The right option is A. Species. A species consists of a population which is A. Sharing the same niche, B. Interbreeding, C. Feeding over the same food, D. Geographically isolated. The right option is B. Interbreeding. I hope this video is helpful for you. Like, comment and share this video and subscribe the channel Help Study. Visit next part. Thank you. Love you all. All the best.